It says, here's how it started. If you've just joined this stream, we are looking at the horrific rape video that has emerged from Manipur, and it shows two women stripped to their skin, paraded naked on camera. We are not going to show you the video. You are seeing some images from the video that we have put with a big fat black screen because we do not think this video should have been circulated. But maybe this video is the wake up call that we needed to understand that women's bodies have been made the battlefield in Manipur now. The FIR, the incident took place on the 4th of May, has been registered at the Saikul police station in the Kangpokpi district of Manipur. And it basically talks about an incident that took place on the 4th of May. The FIR alleges that 800 to 1,000 people, allegedly from meitei youth organizations who were armed, were carrying automatic rifles, among other weapons, about 42 kilometers south from Saikul police station. The mob vandalized the houses, they burnt them to the ground. The families were fleeing. As they were fleeing, they were blocked by one section of the mob, and five villagers were fearing a loss of life. They were running towards the forest. They were rescued by the police, but before they were rescued, they were blocked by this mob. And there were, I missed this. There were two murders that took place, Gladys. There were two murders that took place according to the FIR. 56-year-old, I'm going to name him, Soitin Kham Vaipi. 56-year-old Soitin Kham Vaipi was killed. The three women in this group of five, you see two of them in this video, and I'm reading from the FIR now, were physically forced to remove their clothes and were stripped naked in front of the mob. One of them, who was 21 years old, I'm reading from the FIR, was brutally gang raped in the broad daylight in front of witnesses. One of the people who saw this happening was the younger brother of the victim who was gang raped. He was 19. He tried to defend his sister's modesty in life, but he was murdered by members of the mob on the spot. The victim and two others managed to escape with the help of some people. This is the FIR filed by the village chief. Separately, you're saying there's a second incident of rape and murder that has taken place that hasn't even made it right now to the headlines. It is buried somewhere in social media. And you say these women, this 21-year-old gang rape victim, probably hasn't managed to see a doctor yet.
What is the National Women Commission doing? Have they visited Manipur? Have they tried and protect us? What about the telecom department? Have they taken any step to remove this kind of video not to be circulated anymore? I request the National Commission for Women to take the first flight in the morning and visit this victim. Do the best to protect them, bring them out, and seal them, and give them something to live for, give them some hope to live for.
The chief minister has been spoken to by Smriti Irani. That's what her tweet tells us. Has the chief minister, to the best of your knowledge, reached out to this family?
I have no idea because internet is down. We can't get news. People may say so many things on the phone, but I do not want to say anything until I know the source are true or not. So I can't comment on that.
Gladys, tell us about yourself. Have you ever been in politics, in public life? Why are you speaking out today when so
I'm
many are
speaking.
silent?
I'm speaking because I am a Vaipe, and this village is my distant relative village. Whatever they say, it boils me inside. We are a very peace-loving small community. Our tribe is, I think, not more than what? How many thousands? Not even lakhs. It's a small tribe. It's painful. Maybe we don't even have somebody to speak up. I've never been in politics. I'm just a mother and running a small business to earn my living. And few days ago, my children were at home. They said, "Mom, the cop came. We gave them juice and water." So I was like, "Okay." My youngest daughter, 13, "Mommy, we gave them juice and water. They said we have come here to protect you. If there's any problem, let us know." So they were very innocent. After that, we receive a phone call asking about who I am. I am from the Meitei or the Kuki community. What's the name of my father? Where do I live? Where's my home in Manipur? It's scary, Barkha. We have never faced this in our life. At the same time, we can't keep quiet knowing that a loved one in Manipur are suffering for the past over 2 months. Nothing has been done. No rehabilitation center. Food is bare minimum. Medicines are not there. You know, babies were born in relief center. Feeding mother has to depend on boiled rice. I want at least somebody to go and report the ground reality. How are the children living? How are the school students coping their daily life? No school in Churachandpur. No colleges are there. Nothing is running. Most of the schools are used as a relief center. 2 months with heavy monsoon, mosquito infested place, no odomos, no raincoat. I don't know how they're living. And I can't go there, Barkha. I'm in Delhi. I can't go there because the moment I landed in Imphal, they're going to ask me, what's my ethnicity? I fear for my life. And I don't even know why CID has to ask my children those questions. What wrong did I do? What wrong did I do? Except just telling what exactly happened. I'm not lying. Everything I say, I can give you the authenticity of everything that I said. I try to not say beyond what I know. What else can I do, Barkha? Tell me. At least you're
I,
being kind enough to remove the picture of all those girls in this video. At least you're kind enough to blur it or make it black. But this is not what it is in the original video that
it
circulated.
is it is not kindness. It is the law. Firstly, it is the least that is owed to the women who experience this. It is unacceptable that this video is circulating in an uncensored form. I think reporting on the video is essential because the country must know what happened. But I think there is a way to present what has happened without showing the women nude, which is what they went through. They're not just are they naked. I'm sorry to be so graphic, but they are being pushed around by a group of
Not only
men. They are
pushed around, Barkha, you saw one guy hand was everywhere. He's not only pushed around, Barkha. He's not only nudging or pushing. In the video, it clearly shows that one particular guy was.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry for.
I can feel it. We're human beings. We're girl. We're lady. We're mother. We can feel what they felt that day, fearing for their life. A video, making a movie in front of them. What must have gone through their mind?
Yeah, I wanted to ask you who is filming, who has filmed
Don't
this?
know. We don't know. I don't know, Barkha. I don't know. It just came out. I don't know, Barkha. We don't know. But I'm sure someone can find out. I'm sure. Maybe rather than finding the real people have come to my house. What did I hide from the government? Nothing. What did I hide? They asked who my father is. He passed away long time ago. I say my father died long time ago. What's his name? I say, what will you do? He's no longer alive. What will you do by knowing my father's name?